favourite thing to do. Which one we'll put on? Oh, watch out, you're going to have to wipe your hand first. Can you wipe your hand on the towel? Good job. Give that a big push.
It's Andy.
Now that sounds very authentic. Very authentic, but in fact, that is Andy. Hold on, what's that next one sound? Go again. Very authentic donkey.
Okay, so go cow,
Okay, that was not my singing voice. That was meant to be the sheep. Hold on, you look.
Well done, Hudson, well done, well done.
And then go again.
Well done, Hudson, well done.
Okay, but that was for something else that we were going to try.
That is so cool.
But hang on, we've got to get back. Should we do instead of that one, should we do our sheep noise? So I'll do a sheep sound and maybe you can try and copy. Alright? Are you ready? Or we'll have a practice. No.
Well done, Hudson, well done.
No, got it, buddy.
Is
So
that
I'll-
when we sing at the cricket?
Hassan, we need to
Yeah.
stop and listen to Andy.
Yeah, it is a come on, Aussie.
Oh, yeah.
I know,
Well done, Hudson, well done.
Hassan, we need to stop and listen to Andy.
Alright, hold on. You ready? You're going to copy after me. We're going to do the sheep sound. Ready? We'll practice. Bah.
Bah. Your turn, son.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay,
alright.
and you,
Now
son.
we're going to record it, okay? You ready? Set. You make a big bah. Ready? Set. Oh, you want to push it to record it? as
Hassan,
well.
we are recording. Hassan, we are recording the sound.
So we're recording. So
Hassan, we are recording the sound.
Waiting hands. We're going to use our voice. Waiting hands.
So when I say go, you've got to do your sheep sound.
Hassan, listen to Andy.
Ready?
We need to record the sound, Hassan's sound. We are going to record Hassan's sound.
Not to push, you're going to make the sound. You're going to go bah. Okay, ready?
We are going to record. We are going to
You're
record.
going to record it. Ready, set, go.
We want to hear you say bah. So
I think maybe Andy, you have to say bye. Maybe he follows
Okay,
you.
so I'll say bah, then you say bah.
Oh, can't wait to
Ready?
hear this.
Ready, set, go. Bah. Beautiful.
Yeah. Now we've got your
Now should we
voice.
have a listen? Ah, okay.
Sheep going bah.
So we've got our three animal sounds: cow, donkey, and sheep. We better get a boat into the bay. Got that? Gonna put it in the water. Oops. Can you put our boat into the lake?
Having a look. Is this boat going to fit all these animals?
I'm glad you asked, Lucy.
I want to find out. Hassan, can you put the boat in the water? Oh, you don't want to. Okay.
Should we wait because we haven't started yet? Maybe
It's a
that's
land boat for now.
because we want to find out who sank the boat. So maybe you can put the boat in when we need to. All right.
Hold it.
But
The boat is ready.
you can help me out. Beside the sea, on Mr. Pepper's place, there lived a cow. Okay, we've got our cow, a donkey. A donkey.
Ready for the donkey?
A very authentic donkey and a sheep. Ah, listen to that. A pig and a teeny tiny little mouse. We've got them all here.
Aww.
And on one sunny, they were all good friends, and on one sunny morning, for no particular reason, they decided to go for a row in the bay.
It's going to the bay.
Go in. We've got to put our boat in the water. Because we've got to find out who sank the boat. Let's put it in.
Good job.
Great job. Was it the cow who almost fell in, who tilted the boat and made such a din? Can you find the cow, Hassan?
No. Hassan, where's the cow? We need to put the cow in the boat.
Gotta keep that down.
No, what was
Hold
the
on.
cow?
Gotta keep that in the water.
And you need to put cow in the boat, not boat to take boat to the cow.
Not boat on the cow. Okay, Hassan.
I believe this one
the
here
two
for a sec.
animals. Which one's the cow?
Cow,
Good
beautiful.
job.
Can you put the cow onto the boat?
Put it on there. Oh, move! Fallen overboard.
Oh, it's overboard. We need to put him on the boat. On side?
Shake him.
Hassan on the boat. We
Was
need
it
to
the
follow
cow?
Andy.
No, it wasn't the cow who almost fell in, Hassan. But do you know who sank the boat? So we've got to put the cow on because he's safe.
Hassan, we are playing a story. You are doing a really good job.
Yeah.
So let's put cow in the boat.
Can you put the cow on top?
Otherwise, story can't go on. Cow needs to go on the boat.
Are you gonna put him here?
We can play with the cow later.
Here or here?
And if you put the cow on the boat, then you can play the cow sound.
Oh. Is he gonna go on the roof? Okay.
Oh
yeah,
my
put him
God.
on the roof. Heidi, help you? Heidi?
Alright.
Reach.
Yep.
Good job.
Okay, is the cow safe? Let's hear it. Okay. That's not the cow.
Silly Andy.
I've been known to do that before. Hassan, can you do a cow noise?
Wow.
Moo.
Yeah, woo, awesome. Alright. Cow is safe. Was it the donkey who balanced her weight? Who yelled, "I'll get in at the bow before it's too late"? Have a look, we've got our donkey. Good job. Alright, put the donkey on. Oh, nice one, Hassan.
That is cow, isn't it?
Let it go. That's it.
Cow.
Good job.
What's that?
Yeah.
Cannon?
No, it wasn't the donkey who balanced her weight. Do you know who sank the boat? Ah, Hassan. Look at that. How many have we got on the boat now?
1.
1, 2. Hey.
Good job.
Was it the pig, as fat as butter, who stepped in at the side and caused a great flutter? Ah,
Good job. You're too quick, Hassan.
Well done.
nice, Hassan. Oh, cool. That's the pig, isn't it? Yeah. What's our best pig sound? Oink, oink.
That's
I try it. Here we go.
Try.
No, it wasn't the pig as fat as butter. Do you know who sank the boat? Do you remember who sank the boat?
Who was it?
It was the mouse.
Really?
Hey, spoilers.
Oh, yeah. But the mouse is so little.
Was it the sheep who knew where to sit? You remember the order. To level the boat so that she could knit. Oh, Hassan.
Oh.
Ready? Big sheep sound. Oh, you're trying to get them all on? This is
Save
great.
the pig. Good job.
Oh, dear.
It's a bit slippery now.
Wow. That's all right. And you can push the switch. Oh, okay.
Not
There's a few
that
technical
one.
difficulties here today. Sorry.
The sheep.
What are these animals?
Ah,
Ah.
I swear, I just play tricks on me. No, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. Do you know who sank the boat? I wonder who it is. Was it the little mouse? The last to get in? The lightest of all? Could it be him?
and sank the boat.
And what happens, Hassan? What do we do now?
Sank the boat.
Because the boat's going to sink. What do we do?
The mouse? What's the mouse
Put
doing?
the boat yourself.
You like playing with that. Thank you for sharing that story with us. I never would have guessed that the little mouse sank the boat.
You're a great storyteller, Hassan, with Andy.
Very good. What a team. Boats out of the water. You're saving the animals. You are very much the
Oh, that's so cool.
activist. There we go. Get them out of the water. Yep, help them out because they do all get out safe and sound, but they all look pretty unhappy with little mouse, don't they?
They look a bit wet. I think they might need some towels.
And that is our story. Do you know what I love the most there, Hassan? Because you're telling me you knew who was going to sink that boat before we even got to the end.
He remembered.
Yeah.
Very clever.
Hassan, can we practice their names again? What's this little one called? This is the... What's this one? What was it? Mouse. Good job. That's the mouse.
What one have you got in your hand there? What's that called? It doesn't move, and it's called a cow. We've got a cow.
That one's the donkey. What's this one? It's the donkey. Good job,
Yeah, good
donkey.
Just
Go
make
that
that up,
donkey. Do you know the sign for donkey?
Nah.
No.
Nah.
Donkey. Something with the ears, maybe? I don't know.
What about these ones this time?
You got the mouse, yeah, good job.
Yeah.
The one that sank it all. About these two.
I forget that one. It is sheep, isn't it?
Shh.
It's
Hassan?
weird.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that one? What's that one called?
Pig. Good work. Good job, Hassan.
How many animals are there?
1, 2, 3.
Can you count?
That's good. 3.
Sometimes we count backwards, don't we, Hassan?
What?
Yeah,
That's
crazy.
Should we show them? Heidi, help you? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We go fast when we go backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, too good.
You are so clever.
Yeah.
Say thank you. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Lucy.
son, and thank you everyone for coming in. This is
Thank
this
you
has
for
been
having
lovely.
us. This was
Can
so
you say
cool.
thank you, Hassan? Thank you.
You tried thank you. Good job.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Oh.
Mommy's here.
Mommy says say thank you, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Like this, thank you. I'm getting
Hassan, are you a
tired.
bit tired now?
Do you
Fair
want-
enough.
do you want
It's
to
a lot of hard work.
Do you want to sing our well done song to finish?
Should we do some singing?
Yeah? Alright. Now everyone's going to join in today, alright? You've got to say go. Alright? Ready, set.
Hassan say go.
Say go.
Go.
Go!
Go.
Well done, Hassan, well done, well done. Well done, Hassan, well done.
Yeah.
Amazing, Hassan.
You want those down?
And top stays nice and dry. That's a
So
very
good.
successful story.
And no,
Yeah,
yeah.
amazing.
I loved how you were wiping your hands on the towel before you used the
Yeah.
switch too.
Thank you.
Respecting the equipment, that's a teacher's dream.
So
Are you the perfect student, Hassan?
I'm going to pull this down.
Yeah.